This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is Junction Boulevard.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Transfer is available to the Q72 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
This is a Nantucket-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 90th Street, Elmhurst Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is 90th Street, Elmhurst Avenue. This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 82nd Street, Jackson Heights.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
7 local train. The next stop is 74th Street, Broadway.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is 74th Street, Broadway. Transfer to the Q47 and the LaGuardia Link Q70 bus service. LaGuardia Airport. Transfer to the Q53 select bus service. This is a Manchester Bound 7 local train. The next stop is 59th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
The nearest accessible station is Times Square, 42nd Street. We appreciate your patience as we complete the necessary improvements.
This is 69th Street. This is a Manhattan bound 7 local train. The next stop is Woodside, 61st Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
No, we literally made it up. So I want to have I am always better head and then call yourself I am Ruffla and then they are Ruffla and then the other one is if they always did sleep like nuts. And then I decided to
Everybody sit down. 7 local train. The next stop is 52nd Street.
Are you gonna sit down?
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Lincoln Avenue.
Facciamo 2 passi. Sì, siamo girati là. Però tu adesso ti voglio fare. Quindi ci conviene fare un
This is
po'.
Manhattan bound 7 local train. The next stop is 46th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Oh, andiamo, ce la facciamo a piedi.
But imagine it done. Imagine it dies now.
E ci facciamo. Possiamo fare 2 passi lì e poi arriviamo a fare colazione.
Live Street.
Esatto, allora però dobbiamo andare giù con la verde, non con la verde, con la
This
gialla.
is Manhattan bound 7 local train. The next stop is 40th Street.
Dobbiamo scendere a
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
You said there's shark stairs. You said that, Pop? And then I looked back like crazy because I thought it was shark too.
di fare colazione adesso.
local train. The next stop is 33rd Street.
Facciamo due passi, poi andiamo a
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
andiamo pianino pianino. Adesso vediamo quello che ci piace sulla strada.
3 more stops.
This is a Manhattan bound 7 local train. The next stop is Queensboro Plaza.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
2 more stops. And my phone hasn't even died. My phone hasn't even died yet. Probably is now. I don't know. How many stops you got? How many stops you got? 2. I wish you could translate to M and W. And then Fort Square. E-M. No, E, G, and M. Not E, M, T. Wow, we turning. We curving.
No, non da qui.
Queensboro Plaza.
Transfer is available to the Stanhill train.
No, when am I gonna do that? When am I gonna do that? When am I gonna do that? I know you eat. No,
Sta
no,
correndo,
how?
sotto si vede il mare.
This is an Anaheim bound 7
Local train.
The next stop is Fort Square.
I'm outside.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
To pull up paint and fix it.
Next stop is
Fort Square. Fort Square. We get
Speaking of next stop,
yeah.
next stop,
Fort Square.
Fort Square, 23rd. Next stop? Did we get up next stop?
Yes.
Let's go.
There's a marathon.
Yeah, I know it's so annoying because it's driving hard.
You could tell right there.
Okay, running, you see that running?
Queens be crazy these days.
It's not just in Queens, it's in Brooklyn too.
Yeah.
It's in Brooklyn, too.
good thing we're on the train and not like on the car. I know. There's even police signs and police vans, police vehicles walking so the America could run right. That's New York stuff. Right?
You New Yorker? You a New Yorker?
This is New Jersey stuff too. I'm pretty sure. Okay, we're at Fort Square now. Hold on, see.